Hello there, coming at you again with some amazing life skills once again. Hold on, let me move you over here. You're seeing a lot of steering wheel, I've noticed. Yeah, that'll do. Good thumbnail, you know. Yeah, we're gonna fit this whole pack, which is Ritz peanut butter flavored filling made with real peanut butter, 200 calories. Gonna suck down quite a bit of sodium, a little bit of fat, carbs, a little bit of protein. This actually might be a challenge, legit. So let's see here. I think I can do it. Wow. That was harder than I thought and easier than I thought at the same time, if that makes sense. You know, it's one of those things. Man, is that chewy. I mean, they're chewy one at a time, but that's the only way you should eat them. I definitely approve. Thanks for watching, as always. Okay, goodbye.